They say it's the stars that steal the show, but me, I couldn't stop looking at those busted armrests. I just knew I couldn't let it slide. We just finished a Starlight headliner in this 1978 Buick Park Avenue. I finished early. The interior came out clean and everything was glowing. But when I sat back and admired my work, my eyes went straight to those door panel armrests. Cracked, sunken, worn down like they'd been through 40 summers of elbow, pressure, and neglect. And I thought, how I'm gonna give him a sky full of stars, but leave the arm resting on rubble. It just didn't sit right with me. Even though it wasn't part of the original plan, I made the call, pulled the door panels off and got straight to it. Stripped the old material, cut out the dead foam, and added new padding for a firm foundation. Then we wrapped it in fresh, clean material. Color matched to perfection, seams tight, corners sharp, and didn't charge him. He didn't ask, but I take pride in every inch of the cars that come through here. Because at Exclusive Coverage USA, if it's leaving the shop, it's leaving finished, no shortcuts. So anybody could do the big stuff, throw in some lights to wow the crowd, but real quality, that lives in the details, stuff most people overlook. That's where we separate ourselves. And if you're trying to learn how to do this yourself, we film the step-by-step process. Head over to our YouTube channel to watch the full breakdown. Just click the link in our bio.